My name is Athumani Mgumia, working from COSTECH. So I'm representing COSTECH. And on behalf of the COSTECH, actually I'm very much honored to have this opportunity today to meet with you, but more specifically to open this very important workshop on innovation development and the future imagination. Commission of Science and Technology in the Sahara, actually, since their initial event here in Tanzania, we've been together, we've been partners, and we take this opportunity to, actually, we are very grateful and to congratulate you to maintain this spirit since we have started. I think it's more than, I don't know how many years now, 3, 4? 5. Yeah, 5 years now. Yeah. So I think you have made a very great achievement on this one, especially to maintain this event annually. So for us, we are actually very much grateful, and we've been using this opportunity to try to promote the innovators within our country in different ways, but participating and also to learn from each other. Now, my task, which I've been given, is to open this workshop, but before I open it, I want to say something. Mainly on the theme today. We are talking about the theme of innovation development, but also the future imagining. This topic, actually, it has reminded me to think the current trend, especially on the innovation policy globally. If we look on the innovation trend globally, and particularly we are talking about now health sector, we have 3 paradigms which are going together. We have a linear mode of innovation, which actually is dominant in the source of knowledge in research institution, the R&Ds, whereby the success of the innovation is through the robustness of the research which is done and how it is transformed to the product. But at the same time, we have now the system mode of innovation, which I think the AMUA is actually measuring it, whereby we are talking about the good governance of different organizations, actors, regulatories, and the players to make sure that the innovation process goes through smoothly and they come to be successful. But now we are going very fast to another new paradigm, which is very important, which is on the socio-economic paradigm, which is mainly we are considering about system transformation or system transition. What does it mean? It means that now with the global challenges, not only on the digitization, but also on the climate change and the population aging, we are now experiencing a different kind of the technological systems. For example, when you are talking about health sector, you can see currently we have an analog system of providing services, but very quickly now we are coming up with the AI, the technology which is more on digitalization. Now, how are you going to move from the analog to digital? This is a challenge which we need to think, how are we going to do it and how is it going to be done to make sure that the new technologies which are coming in AI, in artificial insemination, artificial intelligence, they are going now to fit into the new system. So this is the future challenge which now we need to see how can the policy environment can accommodate these things in society that can be successful. So this is to me, I can see it is a challenge whereby now with this program for AMUA, I think we need to use this program as a basis for building evidence which can help us now on how are we going down to develop and come up with a new policy system which can support this the transformation from the analog system of providing medicine or treating health to the new ones. And this is one part, but also, as you know, that health is very much affected by the environment, by the aging. So all these factors which are global challenges, they are all need to be looked at and be integrated in our technologies to make sure that we are going to succeed in helping the society. So I think on the other side, as I've said, we have now the source of knowledge, because we're not talking about innovation, we're talking about the process, but the process, it is the starting point. And the starting point is the source of knowledge, and currently we have R&D institutions, we have universities, they are coming with a lot of new technologies and the knowledges which are quite very important for our technologies. But the issue is how now we're going to connect now to the R&D institution, to the source of knowledge, so that you can benefit from that knowledge. Because as you know that currently the universities, the R&D, the way the system they are operating, they are quite more linear. They are not actually demand driven. They are more demand oriented. So we need now to see how are we going to connect with them and benefit from that one. So with their own current system, of the system within, they are working within R&D institution. So I think this is two sides which you think we need to think, and I think this program of AMUA is a good opportunity to learn and to build evidences so that you can see how we can integrate with this different ecosystem for the benefit of our technologies. So with these few remarks and opinion in this, on the agenda, I'd like to take the opportunity to say that now the workshop is officially opened, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.